Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be talking about Leonardo AI and Canva Magic Studio. Normally it should be a comparison, but it is less of a direct competition and more about integration, as Canva acquired Leonardo AI to power its own Magic Studio suite, blending Leonardo's advanced AI models like Phoenix with Canva's user-friendly design platform. On its own, Leonardo AI offers deeper creative control, custom model training, and a complex interface for professionals, while Canva's Magic Studio provides seamless, easy-to-use AI tools like Magic Media, Magic Write, integrated into a familiar template-based design environment, making it ideal for quick everyday content creation for anyone. On its own again, Leonardo AI, that is as a standalone platform, is best for graphic designers, marketers, and creators needing advanced control, custom AI models, and unique asset generation. Its strengths are advanced models, fine-tuning, and granular control over AI generation and outputs, with its weakness being steeper learning curve and kind of overwhelming for simple tasks. But when you integrate Canva Magic Studio with Leonardo AI, which is the combo going on right now, one of the greatest move Canva's made so far was to acquire and integrate Leonardo AI into Canva Magic Studio. So now with this integration, it is best for general users, social media managers, and teams wanting quick integrated AI within a familiar design workflow. And the strengths now is doubled because the ease of use is seamless. It has Magic Studio Suite, including tools like Magic Media for image and videos, Magic Write for text, Canva Code for coders, and Magic Resize for overall efficiency. And when it comes to accessibility, it is built in for most users with advanced Leonardo features available in Canva Business. But let's look at the weakness. Yeah, it can sometimes lack the fine detail realism or control of the standalone Leonardo platform for complex needs. You see, when you use the standalone Leonardo platform, it has this fine detail realism and control. But when it's integrated into Canva, it lacks it, especially when it comes to complex needs. So that is it. So if you're wondering what are the key takeaways for you, well, I'll say choose Leonardo AI on its own if you're a professional designer wanting to deep dive into AI model training and integrate generation. But you can use Canva Magic Studio on its own for everyday design tasks, leveraging its user-friendly access to powerful AI, including Leonardo's technology. And for Canva business users, you get the best of both worlds: the ease of Magic Studio plus direct access to advanced Leonardo features. Hope you found this information help you. Very helpful. See you in the next one.